Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on USB debugging on your Poco phone. To do it, go to the settings, then go to About Phone, then go to Detailed Info and Specs, and click on OS version 7 times. When it shows you that you are a developer, you can go down and scroll all the way down to Additional Settings. Then scroll down to Developer Options, and here they are, they've just been enabled, but only change them if you know what you're doing, because you may break something if you change too much. So to enable the USB debugging, scroll a bit down and enable it. Then check that you are aware of the possible risk and assume all possible consequences voluntarily, and click on OK. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.